Alright, so let's talk about Elon Musk a little bit. I read Elon Musk की बुक है जो मैंने 2 बार पढ़ी है एंड फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने सिर्फ टाइम पास के लिए पढ़ी थी. इस टाइम कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा था व्हाट इज़ द बुक अबाउट, बट आई एम अ बिग फैन ऑफ Elon Musk. आई एम अ बिग बिलीवर ऑफ Elon Musk and the way he do things, the way he approach the thing, उसकी personal branding and everything. I am a really big fan of Elon Musk. So I started understanding Elon Musk and उसके बाद I realized that there are few things he do really well. That's why he is more productive in life and that's why he is more creative in life. So today I'm going to share 5 key lessons from the book Elon Musk and 5 key hacks from the Elon Musk life that I used in my life. And उसके बाद my productivity is increased, mindfulness, everything is increased. I'm become more 10x productive, we can say that. So let's get into the video and understand how the Elon Musk thinks and how Elon Musk work. First thing Elon Musk does is start your day with critical thinking. Elon Musk सुबह 7 AM को 7 बजे उठता है और उसके बाद he focus on the critical work, like what is the most important work he have to do, what is the most important work जो आज होना चाहिए या इन द वीक या इन द नेक्स्ट मंथ होना चाहिए. यूजुअली वो उस पर ज़्यादा फोकस करता है rather than checking social media, reading everything and a lot of that kind of stuff, rather than he focus always on the critical topics or critical points जो होने चाहिए. He try to focus on that kind of stuff and I started understanding why we have to do that. Even if you read the book Eat That Frog or Doing the Hard Thing First, इन दोनों बुक में भी सेम कैटेगरी बताएगी कि you have to do the hard thing first, because whenever you wake up you have a lot of energy because you already wake up from the sleep, and when you sleep you reschedule your brain and everything, that kind of stuff. I'm not going to talk about that, but usually आपका brain new हो जाता है and if you focus on hard thing first, then there are high chances that you will get rid of those hard things really in a better way. So that's the reason you have to first focus on the critical issues or the hard things. Second key lesson I learned from the book is always use the first principle method. So what is the first principle method? Basically whatever you are thinking are either primary function or the secondary function. If I want to give the example, if you are angry is a secondary emotion, but there is always a primary emotion. Because of that you become angry or you are into the anger. So you have to find the primary cause. What is the primary cause of that emotion? Not only about the emotion, whatever the work you do, whatever the way you think, there is always a first principle thinking कि सबसे basic level पे जाके what is the meaning of that, why this is happening, what is the reason behind that. You have to find all of that kind of stuff. That's called first principle thinking, and it's easy to find that first principle thinking, but it's really important to find it. So even the Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, a lot of people try to use this mental model of first principle thinking. Third thing I learned from the book or the Elon Musk life is batch method or the batch processing. What is mean by the batch method? Because see, our brain is focused on the one and only one thing, and we should always focus on one thing. But the problem is if we try to do the multitasking, then our potentially productivity increases, everything goes down. So it's really important, or if you want to tackle this situation, it's important to do the batch processing or the batch method. So batch, even I learned this from the Ali Abdal's video, Matthew's video. So most of these guys talk about the batch processing. So what is mean by the batch processing? So obviously if you have too many works to do and that scattered over the period of time or over the period of week, try to do combine in a one day. Like if I want to write the review, I will not review every single day. I will try to write that review in one day only. Like in one day I will go and I will write the review. Even if I want to shoot the video, I will try to shoot the video 3-4 videos in a single day, and I will edit that over the period of time. So that's what the Elon Musk does, because Elon Musk knows that multitasking is not possible. But if you want to do many things at a single time, try to batch that process. Like video editing is batching. Try to do 3-4 video editing at the same time, recording at the same time, editing at the same time. So you have to same way whatever the work is, always divide into the batch processing. The fourth thing I learned from the Elon Musk is scheduling. The reason I say scheduling because Elon Musk runs 3 to 4 companies, and it's freaking hard to understand the different context of the different companies. यहाँ पे हमें 2 चीज़ें दी जाए तभी भी हम समझ नहीं पाते कि ये करे या वो करे, और वो तो 4 कंपनियां संभाल रहा है. देन थिंक अबाउट हाउ ही इज़ गोइंग टू हैंडल दिस मच ऑफ प्रेशर. सो द वे ही हैंडल इज बाय शेड्यूलिंग. Like literally you have to schedule each and everything. at what time you have to wake up, at what time you have to go to the jogging, at what time you have to do the exercise. Like if you check out my calendar is filled with everything, like at what time I have to do my client work, at what time I have to schedule this video, at what time I have to talk to the audience, at what time I have to do, just to sleep, at what time I have to read my books. Like everything is scheduled. If you schedule the time, if you block your time, then you can maximize your productivity. Or otherwise, if you do not schedule, your day feels like just scrolling on the Instagram, just scrolling on the Facebook, watching time pass videos, spending time on the YouTube. You will spend a lot of time because you don't have time consumption, or you are not scheduled anything. The last one, which is my favorite, is wide knowledge base. If you have ample amount of knowledge, then no one can surprise you, no one can talk behind you, because you already have a wide knowledge. And the best way to get wide knowledge is by the reading. Elon Musk ने भाई ने बताया था कि he tried to read at least 2 books per week. I'm saying you have to read at least 1 book per read. I mean, even if you read 1 book per week, still you can read 52 books in a year. And Elon Musk reads 2 books per week. That's insane. I mean, not that insane, but obviously if you can try to read 2 books per week, then you can definitely become a good person. Even Naval Ravikant says that if you can read at least 1 to 2 hours per day, then you can become the point not 1% of the universe. Just think about it. Just you have to read 1 or 2 hours per day if you want to become the top notch person. Even I am a firm believer that reading is important, and reading can change your life. So these are the 5 lessons that I learned from the Elon Musk book, or Elon Musk life, that I literally started using in my life, and that literally changed the way I think, or the way I work, the way I do everything in my life, to become the more and more productive. If you are looking for the Elon Musk book recommendation, check out this video where I shared everything about the Elon Musk book recommendation. And if you are looking for a Sandeep Maheshwari's book recommendation, check out this video where I shared book recommendation by Sandeep Maheshwari. That's all for today's video. See you in the next one.